So good afternoon, class. Today we are making hibiscus rice with sauce. Hibiscus rice with shredded beef sauce. So this is we have our what is there any English name for this one? This is zobo leaf, hibiscus leaf here. So it's already soaked. We have our salt, sesame oil. We have our sauce. We have curry, groundnut oil. We have our already mixed green peas, sweet corn, and red kidney beans. We have thyme, already grated ginger and garlic mixed together. We have our chopped onions. We have diced tomato, our scotch bonnet pepper, um, red bell pepper, yellow, green bell pepper, our carrots. We have spring onions. We have mint leaf. So we're about to start now. We already rinsed and shredded the beef. Is on the fire. We added curry, thyme, onions. We added ginger and garlic with salt. So we allow it to boil. And while we are doing that, we start preparing our rice. Thank you. So when you added the hibiscus water, the hibiscus water inside the pot. So we add water to it and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. So we've added our water already inside so we allow it to boil so that the color will come out very well before we wash our rice in it. You always do it. I waste too much. Is it too much? No, they will still do their own too. James, you can do 1.5. So we'll cover it and allow it to boil. Not steam, it will boil. Boil for about 10 minutes. Then we'll now wash our rice. So the water, so we drain it and remove the flour. So we turn the water back to the
Sobo.
I like Zobo.
It's Sobo.
I really like Zobo.
It's Sobo. It's Sobo.
Project
Wàhálà yìí ti pọ̀ jù lọ.
It's popperish. Popperish.
Dark purple. Don't worry, I'll make this for you. For that. Okay.
We have salt.
4 teaspoons.
Abba.
You better simplify that so people don't understand English.
Groundnut oil so that it will not stick
Together.
just like you're making spaghetti.
Yeah.
It's a very simple dish. So we're doing simple dish for La Carte restaurants.
Those produce are like high.
So we'll cover and allow it to boil.
Kò tí tó ní.
Bàbá blended. Omi ẹ̀ ló máa lò.
Wà ní dùndùn.
We just cut it. last stage. Oh my, I cannot forget. Sorry? Chill. Ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ti sú mi. So go the final stage.
ọkọ yín ni kò sí fún àwọn ni. ó ilé àbí ẹ ti ẹ̀rọ kan gidi fẹ́. kí ló ní ìmọ̀kúrò ń ṣèyàn. ṣé mo sọ pé mo dárúkọ yìí ó gbẹ̀yìn á sí ìwọ ló fẹ́ dà mí.
ẹ má jókòó ẹ má jókòó ọ́fíìsì ní òde bíbá ẹ má jókòó kí irú ti yé mu.
That's it. That thing just comes to my mind. Maybe I'm a man plan now. Ah, this year I should not scatter and ask people now.